We all know that maintaining a clean home can sometimes feel like a never-ending task, but fear not, because today we're going to introduce you to some incredible machines that will transform the way you clean and maintain your living space. So before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our reviews of amazing products. And guess what? We've provided AliExpress links to all the machines we'll be discussing in the description below, so you can easily check them out for yourselves. First up, we have the VOR Manual Carpet Sweeper. This little gem is a game changer when it comes to effortlessly maintaining your carpets and hard floors. With a sweeping path of 7.87 inches and a 300 ml dustbin capacity, it's perfect for homes, offices, restaurants, and more. What sets this manual carpet sweeper apart is its magnet-like roller brush that picks up garbage and dust from carpets with ease. The best part, no electricity or batteries are needed. It's a great eco-friendly and hassle-free option for keeping your space clean. Next on our list is the portable countertop dishwasher. This compact powerhouse comes with 5 washing programs, built-in 3-cup water tank, and 3D cyclone spray, making it perfect for quick and efficient dishwashing. Whether you're dealing with a small kitchen or need a portable solution for your office, this dishwasher has got you covered. Say goodbye to the hassle of hand washing dishes and hello to convenience with the portable countertop dishwasher. We have the 1000 watts brushless high pressure electric car washer gun. This wireless car wash water gun is a powerhouse, delivering 100 bar of pressure. With a 30,000 mAh battery, you can easily wash your car, patio, or any other surfaces without the need for a power out. Brushless electric car washer gun is not only convenient for auto detailing, but is also a versatile tool for home cleaning. It's compact, wireless, and efficient, making it a must-have for every homeowner. Next up, we have the VOR Compact Drain Auger Pipe Cleaning Machine. If you've ever dealt with a clogged sink, toilet, or sewer line, this electric sink unblocker is a game changer. With options for 50 feet and 75 feet, it's a powerful tool for tackling even the toughest clogs. Say goodbye to frustrating clogs with this efficient sewer dredger tool set. Its compact design and electric power make it easy to handle, and the variety of attachments ensure it can handle any pipe cleaning task you throw at it. Next in line is the Goyo Spot Cleaner. This handheld carpet cleaner is a powerful and versatile solution for keeping your upholstery, curtains, and carpets looking fresh and clean. With a spray and suction integrated design, it's a true all-in-one cleaning machine. What sets the Goyo Spot Cleaner apart is its lightweight design. Weighing in at only 4.5 kg, it's not only easy to use but also aesthetically pleasing, making it a stylish addition to your cleaning arsenal. Plus, its compact size is perfect for hassle-free storage. The portable Miele folding washing machine, providing a quick and convenient solution for washing underwear, socks, and more. With a 5-day delivery, it's perfect for those in need of a speedy home cleaning solution. This compact wonder is not only great for home use, but also perfect for travel. Its innovative design allows for easy folding, making it a portable companion for those on the go. No more stressing about laundry during your travel. Aipe Pet Grooming Vacuum and Dog Grooming Kit. If you share your home with a furry friend, you know how challenging it can be to keep up with the shedding. Well, say hello to your new best friend in pet care. This grooming vacuum is specially designed to make the pet grooming process a breeze. With a large dust cup and an included clipper for dogs, the Aipe Pet Grooming Vacuum ensures that your pets stay clean, comfortable. Next on our list is the 2600 watts high temperature steam cleaner. Whether you're tackling the kitchen, air conditioner, car interiors, or even household appliances, this steam cleaner is a powerhouse in eliminating dirt, grime, and bacteria. With its high temperature steam and versatile attachments, it's a comprehensive solution for maintaining a hygienic environment. Plus, it's available in both 110V and 220V options, catering to different power requirements. We have the electric lint remover. This USB rechargeable portable clothes fuss pellet trimmer is a must-have for anyone looking to keep their wardrobe looking fresh and new. Easily remove lint, fuss and fabric spools with this compact. The USB rechargeable feature adds to its portability, making it a perfect companion for quick fabric touch-ups on the go. We have the hand-held steam cleaner for home. If you're looking for a compact yet powerful steam cleaning solution, this one's for you. With its 1001 high-temperature pressurized steam, it's a versatile tool for tackling dirt and grime on various surfaces. The 350 ml water tank provides ample capacity, allowing for approximately 10 minutes of continuous steam. No more interruptions for frequent refills. Plus, with a quick heat-up time of just around 2 minutes, you can start cleaning without any delays. Next in line, we have the Miele Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. This powerhouse comes with 23 accessories, offering a chemical-free, pressurized cleaning solution for most floors and surfaces. It's your all-in-one cleaning companion. From floors to counters, this steam cleaner is designed to handle it all. The pressurized steam ensures thorough cleaning without the need for harsh chemicals. It's a game changer for anyone looking to achieve a deep, sanitizing clean throughout their home. We have the desktop vacuum cleaner. This mini USB rechargeable wireless vacuum cleaner is perfect for keeping your workspace tidy. Say goodbye to crumbs, confetti, and dust with this portable rubber confetti cleaner. Its compact design and wireless functionality make it a convenient tool for quick cleanups. Keep your desk, keyboard, and other surfaces free from debris with this handy desktop vacuum cleaner. The VOR Ultrasonic Cleaner, a versatile solution for precision cleaning, available in various sizes from 2L to 30L. This stainless steel portable cleaner uses ultrasound to provide a thorough and efficient cleaning process for items such as jewelry, eyeglasses, and more. The heated cleaning function adds an extra layer of effectiveness, making it an essential home appliance for anyone looking to achieve professional-grade cleanliness without the hassle. Next in our lineup is the Tineco Pure One Air Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This super lightweight wireless vacuum cleaner is designed for ultimate convenience. With powerful suction and a quiet operation, it's perfect for quick and efficient cleaning without the hassle of cords. The Tineco Pure One is not just a vacuum, it's a multifunctional cleaning machine. It can mop as well, making it an all-in-one solution for keeping your home pristine. Experience the freedom of cordless cleaning with this powerful and quiet device. Last but not least, we have the ultra-thin robot vacuum cleaner. This smart device takes convenience to the next level by autonomously cleaning your floors. With a focus on ultra-thin design and remote control capabilities, it's a modern solution for busy households. Equipped with advanced sensors and a remote control, this robot vacuum is perfect for keeping your floors free from dust and debris. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and let this intelligent robot do the work for you. And there you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed our journey into the world of home cleaning with these incredible machines. If you found this video helpful, or if any of these devices caught your eye, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Review Palace and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews of innovative home essentials. Stay tuned for more exciting content where we explore the latest and greatest products designed to transform your living space. Until next time, from all of us here at Review Palace, happy cleaning.